Hello students, on behalf of Vincit Law Academy, we welcome you in our 6th lecture with topic What is Evidence? Evidence can be anything by which alleged matter of fact is either established or disproved. It can be either oral or documentary. Jurists like Taylor Bentham had defined term evidence in their theories. Taylor states that it includes all the legal means exclusive of mere arguments which tend to prove or disprove any matter of fact, the truth of which is submitted to judicial examination. Well, Section 3 of Indian Evidence Act covers two aspects: the evidence of witness and the documentary evidence. Now the question is, what can be the oral evidence? All statements which the court permits or requires to be made before it by witnesses in relation to matter in fact under inquiry. This has to be read with Chapter 4 of the Act, that is, of oral evidences, Section 59 and 60. We suggest you to read what we recommend as read with sections. Now the second question is, what can be documentary evidence? Well, all documents including electronic records for the inspection of the court can be documentary evidence. For documentary evidences along with the electronic records, you can refer Section 65p. This definition of documentary evidence should be read with Chapter 5 of the Act, that is documentary evidences, by virtue of Section 61 to 90A. Always remember that it is not necessary that evidence provided or produced for is always admissible. Whether evidence is admissible onto a particular stage is decided by the judge or magistrate by virtue of Section 136, read with Section 5 of the Act. Under the present Act, matters other than statements of witnesses and documents produced for the inspection of the court, for example, a confession or a statement of an accused in trial, statements made by parties when examined otherwise than as witnesses, demeanor or any witness under examination, and the result of local investigation or local inspection, and material objects other than documents such as weapons, tools, stolen properties, etc., are not evidence according to the definition of the Act. We recommend you to practice Barrett examples and multiple choice questions on evidence. Also, you can refer our blog on our official website, that is www.judicialcoaching.in, for detailed discussion on this topic, that is evidence. This is quite a favorite topic for prelims. You can also subscribe for our printed notes. Our next lecture will be on what facts are relevant.